Hi! You want to know how you can make over $15,000 a month? Then watch the short video to the end so you don't miss the very point. Let me tell you about the best top freelancer site that I have been working with for 5 years. I will show you a few secrets that few people know about, but which make it truly one of the best in the top freelancer sites category. I will leave a link to the official website under this video. Look closely, we are starting.
If you are looking for the best developer or project manager in the world, then Toptal platform is the place where you are most likely to find your candidate. The filtering system of the questionnaires have been brought almost to perfection. I recommend that you also take a look at the Fiverr Pro subscription, thanks to which you can also choose from the best freelancers on the platform. Hiring a quality worker is vital to growing your business fast. That's a lot easier said than done. Perhaps you don't know the skills you need. Maybe the freelancer doesn't finish their project on time, or the freelancer can't effectively handle clients. What if the freelance platform did the heavy lifting for you? What if the freelance marketplace vetted freelancers who don't have the right skills? Then once they understand your project needs, they filter the freelance talent to make sure they have the background you want. For example, maybe you're looking for a full-time front-end software engineer who came from Google to make your iOS app look snazzy. Unlike Upwork, the Toptal team will help you source top-notch front-end developers from San Francisco to New York. They may find the best freelancing talent outside of the United States. This is what makes Toptal an excellent freelance marketplace. They help you find top talent by sourcing the top 3% of freelancers and matching you to the right person so you don't have to. Toptal screens 3% of the talent may or may not be entirely accurate. I'll discuss Toptal's vetting process in a moment. What matters is Toptal saves you time spending hours filtering through freelancers for their performance. What matters is Toptal saves you time spending hours filtering through freelancers for their performance. After all, if Toptal didn't have hoops for freelancers to jump through, then their available talent would dilute. As a result, their market differentiation would be the same as almost any other freelance marketplace. Many entrepreneurs hiring on Toptal know that support staff is very hands-on. Toptal also has a fantastic UI and billing process. What sets Toptal apart is their freelancer screening process. What is Toptal's vetting process to make sure you get world-class workers? Toptal uses a 5-step screening process to vet freelancers: language and personality. In this phase, Toptal is looking for candidates who read, write, and speak English fluently. They also look for personality traits, drive, and passion to see the work through to completion. According to Toptal, an estimated 26.4% of applicants pass this test. In-depth skill review. Here, Toptal screens freelancers for technical knowledge. It's common to use a coded test or an automated test of one's programming skills. According to Toptal, only 7.4% of total applicants make it through this round. Live screening. After testing the freelancer's skills, Toptal does a live screening test. Toptal supplies an expert in each domain to do video chat with the applicant. During the screening, the candidate receives a test while an expert watches how and what they code. If they fail, they may be asked to reapply in a month. According to Toptal, only 3.6% of applicants pass this round. Test projects. Over 1 to 3 weeks, a freelancer must complete a test project related to a real-world scenario. Here, the candidate puts everything into action, testing everything from competence to their professional style. According to Toptal, only 3.2% of applicants pass this round. Continued excellence. Once the test is complete, Toptal freelancers are expected to maintain high-quality work. If work quality slips or there's a poor communication, the freelancer is let go. According to Toptal, only 3% of applicants continue to their high standards. What else do entrepreneurs find valuable hiring freelancers on Toptal? Toptal has a fast placement process. According to Toptal, in a typical engagement, we'll introduce you to candidates within 24 hours, and 90% of our clients hire the first candidates we introduce. Toptal sets high standards for freelancers. Freelancers must maintain high customer satisfaction ratings, otherwise Toptal will remove them from their platform. A no-risk test project. The first time you work with your freelancer, you get a 2-week test period with your new hire. If you're not satisfied, Toptal will take the loss and won't charge you for the freelancer's work. Please note, this is not a free trial in that if you accept the project, you will pay for the hours billed. Toptal's screening process 3% will weed out some quality workers, but it's better to miss out on a potential A player than to waste precious time on a borderline freelancer who turns out to be a B or C player. Toptal does not charge a fee above their regular pricing. Instead, they add a profit margin above the freelancer's rate. Most rates you'll pay are what you'd expect to pay outside their platform. For a developer, expect to pay $60 to $150 per hour or more. For a designer, expect to pay $70 to $150 an hour. For a financier, expect to pay $90 to $250 per hour. For a project manager, expect to pay $90 to $180 per hour. For a product manager, expect to pay $90 to $200 per hour. What you pay your freelancer depends on the tech stack needed for your project, the necessary skills to complete the task, the project task, what market you are in, general market demand for the type of freelancer needed. Toptal sends invoices twice a month. Each invoice includes net 10 payment terms, or 10 days to pay an invoice. This allows you to review any time billed before paying. Finally, Toptal also requires you to deposit $500 upfront before you begin. This amount comes out of your first invoice. If you reject the test project, they return the money to your account. Toptal tests and screens freelancer skills. Further, Toptal proactively removes any freelancer who isn't delivering high-quality work on time. If you believe you get what you pay for and want one less thing to worry about, then Toptal is a fantastic choice for you.